Hello everyone, it's Dragana at Saacibo. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is another 15 minutes crafting session and today's challenge is doing a little collage, and I'm going to work directly in my journal right there. I've picked a few things that I want to use. I've got a new stamp that I want to try and some other stamps, and I also created another freebie for you. It is that one. It is up on my website, free for you to download. No need to register, pay or subscribe. It is the same deal as always. Once you are on the free download page, close all the ads that pop up. Look for the image you wish to download, click on it, and it should open up in a new tab. If you click on any of the ads by mistake, do not provide your information, just go back and try again. If you wish to share my freebies, please share the link to my website. Do not sell or redistribute, and it's okay to use all my freebies in the journals that you make and sell. Okay. I might also use one of the old freebies, the photos. If you want to download that one, you'll have to scroll down and find it. It is probably from about a year ago. So I better get going because I only have 15 minutes. I really want to try this stamp. I'm going to use the hickory smoke. I can't really tell if I put enough because of that acetate sheet, but it doesn't have to cover the whole thing. Actually, mainly the edges. Oh, I love it. It's great. I'm happy with it. And I was thinking of using some of the images that I've stamped on. This one seems to be falling out. I might just use that one. I'm going to get rid of that bit. You know, I keep saying 15 minutes, but if it turns out that I need more than 15 minutes, I will just work until I'm done. All right, let's grab a photo. Maybe the one with the house. Got some of that paper. I might get rid of that white bit. Oh, that's interesting. I'll just grab this one. It will save me time stamping this. I love these border stamps. Maybe that would look good there. Something like that. Can have that there. Now I'm thinking that this photo may be a bit too big. We'll see. Let's pick one of those plants. I really want to use one of those. I think I'm gonna go with that one. Okay, I'll just fussy cut it. I've actually treated this printable with acrylic gel, so it is a bit rough, and I printed it on sketchbook paper. I just wanted it to have like brush strokes. I could have gone with varnish, but I've only got glossy ones, so I didn't really want that extra gloss. And I've done the same with this photo. Just doing this to get that, approximately that shape of those flowers. That's perfect. I like that. But this photo is a little bit big. Maybe I can just cut it like this. Just make it a little bit uneven. Like that. Might as well do the top bit. I like that better now. I'd like to actually make like a little pocket here. Just grab some paper. Maybe even some of the book pages. Yeah. I think it would look nice underneath here. Might even use some of these numbers from the last freebie, but I still haven't decided on the pocket. Oh, that's a nice one. Dyed envelope. Let's tear it. This is really thin now. I shouldn't have taken that bit off. And I made the pocket really small. I'm thinking of adding one of these. Maybe the one with blue letters. Adapt to change. Love these signs. They look really rustic, I think. Just think that. Okay, I'll start by gluing this. Okay. I didn't think that one. I'm gonna go like that. And then this one. I'm just layering things here. I love creating collages. Let's glue that. I love hidden pockets that are actually part of the collage. Okay, that's perfect. I said I want to use that as a pocket. Yeah, I'm not convinced now. What about this? Actually, that would be perfect. I'll just do this to make a jagged edge. It's funny, isn't it? But it really works. Okay, probably here as well. It's actually easier than cutting it straight. Okay, good. I love the result of that. Weird cutting. Good. Okay. So yeah, I said I'm gonna make a collage on this page, and now I'm making pockets. It's a collage with pockets. Okay, should I ink this one a little bit, perhaps? Might fit in better. I'm almost done, and I must say it feels really good when you complete a page or you complete a little something that you're making. If you've only got 15 minutes to do that, and if you're able to complete it in that time slot, it's even better. I just had an idea. I will put the glue here like so, and then here. Can be a duck spot. Why not? And I think I want to add a number. And I'm going to just pick whichever one looks good. Maybe this one. Random number. Where do we put the number? Here? Here? There, actually, it looks good there. Okay, that's it. What do we put in the pockets? I've got this little thing. Maybe I can put some stamps inside. I really love making these little bags. That was fun when we did that. And I can put that in there. And with that one, I can just make a little envelope. Just fold that. Actually, I'm going to just do this. a little bit of glue on the sides, and it's done. Like that. Just make a little booklet with that. See how that has that contour paint around? It just gave me an idea that I want to do the same here where those little dots are. I mean, it's just calling for it. Okay, that is done. That is my little collage page with hidden pockets. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you were able to find 15 minutes of your precious time to do a bit of crafting. It's good for the soul. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.